Welcome this video. Woodshed. Fire, firewood. A step by step guess. It's you apply on firewood to keep your home warm. The cloud month have a redeem place too. Stood it's essential. A well built wood shed keep your wood firewood new original and ready to build. Build your owner wood shed mean seem like a big task, but with a right plans and a bit of long great, it's a reward weekend project. We walk your thought out how to build a simple wood shed for firewood. This various is designed for both functional and affordable professional for any how like love work that would. When you need a fire wood shed, before jump into the build last task about then a firewood shed is so important. Place wood need and stone to build effect. Welcome to jump wood can be top to light process more and even lesson to build down in the class of fire hormones. Less firewood sticking in the open, it's to rainstorm and group monitoring. A well wood shed provide shelter while allow air throughout the stone help the wood to popular scene and stream plants your wood shed and captivate. The first step is decision how much wood you place to stone. Firewood is tropical in cards. A full card is a 4 feet height, 4 feet due, and 8 feet long. Think about how much wood fire would you build in a seasoning and place for a place home use of wood are supplemented hot stone 1 to one card in stream hard. You may need 3 to 5 cards or more. Location: choose reducing level area for your shed. It should be covered close to your home. For canvas in wood, but not so close that inside pots can easily move. Indoor makes up those good area climate and sunlight experience to help keep the wood during design functional. Keep elements to enclosing in your wood space. Should open consider for airplace roof to shed water and smoking. Restrict full to keep off jump group. Other back valve for wind process. Step by step build your shed. Need a stone level functional conclusion depth build and a great low cost and easy to install layout your site and make cottage. Use a level and standing line to even placement. Place for multiply fall